All right. What is up, everybody? I am back, and it's been a long time. Oh man, it's just getting on here. I decided to go live. I'm gonna go live. If you know that I haven't been on in a while, expect me to go live. So make sure that bell is hit, subscribe, and do all of that. I know videos has been down. I don't know, man. It's something. I just haven't been with it. I don't know. Now I'm making money. Okay, I don't want y'all to think I'm losing anything. Nah, but I'm doing pretty good in the stocks. But I don't know. I just really kind of lost a little motivation getting on YouTube. So and I got some other personal things going on that I'm not gonna say right here. So but yeah, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk stocks, man. It's been a while. Let's talk about where we going, not where we was. I've been wrong. I've been wrong about a lot of things lately. I've been thinking that the market was toppy. That I didn't like some of the earlier rally we had saw a couple of weeks ago when we started bouncing off the bottom, and it just seemed weak, weak in the internals. But all of that, it proved me wrong. But we actually have a little bit of that today, and that's some of the things that I want to discuss. That when you look under the hood, it's just like, man, I don't know, and it's just how long can we go up? Straight up. That's just gets me nervous, man. It just gets me nervous. So I pulled back a little bit, mainly in my TSP plan, right? That's like the 401k. I pull back a little bit. If I miss a little upside, I miss a little upside because I made a lot of money, right? We can't be greedy. We can't be greedy. Is that what they say? The pigs get slaughtered. And I messed that up. Let me see. Bulls get. Y'all know what I'm saying, man. If you follow stock, y'all know the thing, right? Pigs get slaughtered. There's something goes in front of that. Oh yeah. Bulls can be bulls. Forget it, man. I ain't gonna spend too much time on that. All right, so let's look at what happened with today. I was looking at the Dow almost closed on its lows. You know, when it just opened higher and then ripped down, and then the Nasdaq was going up, the S&P was going up, and then the Dow just turned around and it even started making new highs of the day. And I was like, wow, look at that turnaround in the Dow. And I was just like, you can't even have selling like that. I mean, if it just goes down 0.5%, people want to jump in. But yeah, it proved me wrong because then it was coming back down and they wind up selling it off. But that did not happen with the Nasdaq, and that did not happen with the S&P, right? But if you look at the heat map, I mean, it's all good. It's for the most part tech, man. Tech, consumer defensive. We don't really like when those go up like that. Utilities is green, the banks is down, except for PayPal, right? I think PayPal's getting ready to get into stocks. In Square, right? Square. And Amazon. Amazon bought a firm. Well, not, they didn't buy them. They worked out a deal where a firm is going to be doing a buy now, pay later kind of thing going on. Something like that, right? Where you can pay in payments without interest. I'm not sure how a firm works. But I guess we're going to be seeing that all over the Amazon site. So they was up big. And that's actually one of the stocks I like. I like a few stocks, and I'm going to go over them today. Yes, I'm going to go over them. So let's look at, oh yeah, I had Zoom up because they just reported earnings, and they are getting crushed right now. Okay, they closed at 347, and right now they're trading at 321. If you pull up the after hours, you can see the chart right here. Kind of detach it, see what's going on. You see that just big swoosh. Where'd it go? There it is. See that big swoosh they reported. So they kind of missed. I don't know exactly what they said or didn't do, but obviously the street didn't like it because these guys are just trading a lot lower. Yeah, that's just really kind of been the theme of a lot of stock. Well, I'll take that back. Amazon. That was the theme with you. I was so bullish on Amazon. By the way, I am bullish on that again, and we'll talk about that right now. Well, no. Let's talk about today's action real quick because I want to bring up the advanced decline line, which I have been doing, which has been proving me wrong. Now, we saw how the NASDAQ was up, and it was up nicely today. But the advanced decline line on the Nasdaq, you see it opened here with 1,000 stocks advancing over the decliners, and then boom, right? It's been here's the zero line, right here, right? It's been negative all day, but you saw that rally. You saw the rally. Oh, look at it. So what's happening is it's just these guys. It's just not broad based, and that's what's scaring me, right? So if we go back to this, you can see that look, Nasdaq was up 0.9, but if you look at the advanced decline line, you're like, what? Huh? I'm trying to find. Hey, this is live. Give me a break. Look at the advanced decline line. It didn't even. I mean, it closed even on the low of the day, where more stocks, 500 more stocks declined than in advance. So I don't like that. That's what was happening. It's just been the theme. But we had a good day of internals. I didn't make a video that day, and I was like, okay, internals are coming. Markets just ripping. All right, so here are the ticks, almost the same thing, and I'm not gonna, you know, talk about it big time because, like I said, the market's just not looking at these things. The market just the bell goes off and the market goes up. Doesn't matter what's happening. But here's your zero line. We had a lot of ticks down here. I just don't like that. Now here's the day before. See, that looked good, right? Look at that. It's just, I mean, even at the end of the day, we had some, I thought we was going to hit 1,000, but which we didn't. But look at the high ticks. I mean, it was right around 500. It's just, I don't know, man. It could be just me. This is my little thing of reading the ticks. I just, on really bullish days, I want to see some bullish action. I want to see where just things are just ticking through the roof, and I want to see the advanced decline line pegged north, right? I want to see it about 1,500, 18, 2,000. I want to see it up there. Definitely don't want to see it negative. I don't want to see that. So that's not bullish to me. But the market is just going up. So I don't have any answers for that. It's whatever. Stay long because there it is. I mean, it just goes up. There's the daily. I usually look at the weeklies and look, it's doing its thing. I mean, there's no need to worry until it comes out of that trend right there. Kind of bring it down. Let's see here. Yeah, just kind of see if we can draw some kind of channel, and I don't know if I like that. If we can draw that channel, we could just say that was an outlier over here, right? It's just doing its thing. So, hey, nothing to worry about. Look at the stochastic just pinned up here. I was going to say, let me see what the daily volume looked like today. Yeah, the volume was decent. It was slightly below average, just slightly. But, we're coming up to the top of the range. So, I would say be careful. But, I don't know. Well, we'll just come down 0.5% or something like that. I mean, nothing serious. No big pullbacks on the horizon. I don't know. Hey, did y'all see Hood, Robin Hood, at the end of the day? See that little decline. The SEC chairman, they're saying everything is on the table, including no more payment for order flow. And that's Robin Hood's whole business, and the other brokerages do it, Schwab and Fidel, they do it too, but they have other things to fall back on. And Robin Hood does not, except for crypto. They make a whole bunch on that. So, yeah, they're going to be discussing that hard. And if for some reason they ban payment for order flow, wow, look out. By the way, it seemed like liquidity would kind of dry up just a bit. I mean, I think that's one of the reasons, markets are liquid, so it will definitely affect. You know what? If they came out with that, I think that could be the reason markets go down. I don't know. Why not that? It's not nothing else. It's not what's happening overseas. I ain't gonna say the A word. Y'all know what I'm talking about. What's up, Dominique? You said, what do you think about Apple? I mean, I was gonna make a position in Apple. I wind up taking one in Amazon. I like it. I haven't looked at the chart in a bit, but I looked at it like last week or so, and you can see it's breaking out. That consolidation, kind of like Amazon. Amazon failed to break out though. A lot of the NASDAQ stocks was in this pattern. Netflix, not Netflix, excuse me. What's the one stock that just goes to the moon? Nvidia was like that, and just boom, right, just takes off. So there's Apple. It's new high. What is, yeah, that's a new high, all time high. Looks like right there, right? Isn't that the all time? If I come up to the monthly, yeah, look at that. So why not? You could see how I really got to get used to the whole straight up action. It bothers me so much. If you follow me from back years back, yeah, I've been doing this a while. There's Dre Trades 1, if you want to really see my older videos. Um, oh man, it's just straight up is the new sideways, I guess, right? So you can see it's breaking out, and I'll go to an example. We can look at NVIDIA, which is insane. Let me pull that real quick. And you could see the kind of action that I got stuff that you might get with Apple, even though it's the biggest stock in the world. These things don't trade like it. I mean, when they go up so hard, they be adding like billions, I mean, like 300 billion to the market cap. But look, they just go straight up. It went sideways here, little 3-bar pattern, straight up. It just seems the way. Right? Look at, how about this one? Chipotle, same thing. See, straight up, right out of the consolidation. I'm in this one. I took profits somewhere around where did I take profits at? Right around 19. Can't even remember. Maybe it was like 1880, something like that. A little bit in but it's been just going up, proving me wrong. And I could have been in and had made some more gains, but who knows? This might continue to go straight up. Anybody can think of any more to go straight up, because that's the theme. So if you go back to Apple, why not Apple going straight up? So it's on its way. The other stocks are doing it, so I guess Apple can do it as well. Yeah, but I like Apple, Dominique, for real. Up 3% today. I don't know what the news was. Apple agrees to change App Store to settle antitrust lawsuit. App Store profits could plummet. They could. Is that why it was up today? Oh, that just dropped. What is it trading now? Well, no, it's no change. So yeah, I don't know why it was up so hard today, but there it goes. To the moon. I'll talk about stock that I like. And that's Amazon. I liked it. I hated it. Now I like it again, because you can see what's happening here. Like, you can see the failure. That was, oh man, it had broken out. This was once a solid green bar, and it was on its way. And when it came out with earnings, just, man, down 7-8%, just kept going down. Market was still going up. And I really thought that it was going to go to the bottom of that range, way down here. There's my circle. I even tagged it. It's going right there. I was so confident, but it turned. It held support at the middle, and it should have. I'm not saying it was going to go straight there, no nonstop, but these last couple of days has been impressive. Last couple of weeks, excuse me, it's been impressive. So I like it, and then now you got the Affirm deal. It is a firm, right? I want to say the a firm deal. So I think, I'm not saying, I mean, there's going to be some resistance up here. It's going to be, it ain't going to be easy, but you never know. This might, if it can clear all this activity right here, it's going to be on its way again. So I like the fact that it didn't go down here, and that's why I've turned bullish again on it. So back in the middle of the range, it's just holding. Everything's all good. Stochastic's turning. Today was a great day. It's had a couple of great days. It's been putting them in. So look at that. So I'm like it right on a dime. And I was even considering buying there, and I just didn't. I don't know, because I was so convinced that it was just gonna come down here. So but I was wrong on that. But this is going higher. Let's go back to the monthly. And just like your Apple, Dominique, you can see how it's not there yet, but it will. And then this one will go straight up as well. Why? I don't know. It just seems like the way to go. So I'm liking Amazon. Here's another stock I like. And I like these the big stocks. It's no secret stock like Hillrom. The big boys. I like Tesla because these are the stocks that they just didn't participate. They didn't participate in the run. So let's look at Tesla. You can see what's happening here, right? It was just down. So you do it. The Nasdaq was going up. This thing has been going down all year long, and finally you break out, right? The downtrend is basically broken right here. You got your consolidation, and it's just ready to bust. Look at that, right? A little shelf. I like that because I think this blows through. You have volume weaning off, but I like that as far as it ready to explode. Now we just need the volume to come back and just blow through and keep it going, right? So I like everything I see here. So I like Tesla. It's finally getting out of this consolidation, and it really looks like it's ready to push through and challenge these highs right here. Now it'll be trouble once it gets there. That's 900. It's gonna be a double top. It's one of double tops are one of the strongest patterns that almost work all the time. They really blow through, but it could happen. So yeah, there'll be some pullback, some sideways action. Like Walmart's going to Walmart pisses me off all the time. Oh man, here's double top. See what happened? Oh, I can't. I'm trying to adjust my charts. Can I bring it down now? No. For some reason I can't bring it down. Let me clear all of this stuff out. But you can see the double top right here. Right? So, and it pulled back, and that's expected. It's gonna happen. So if you look at Tesla, go back to Tesla, and I think once it gets up there, you'll have some kind of action like that. Just double top it. But I like it. I'm in it long. I think this thing could. Oh man, you remember how this run was? Let me clear all this out. It was just crazy, right? I think we're ready to set up another one right here, and you can see how this was hard, right? Down, 2 bars, 2 months, up, down, couple bars. This was actually double the period, but I think we're gonna have another one of these runs, right? Like that. That's run number 2. Run number 2. Then run number 3. So keep an eye on that. Tesla's been trading well lately. Well. So I'm bullish on Tesla. I got some long out of the money call spreads. And lately I've been trading out of the money, especially on stocks like this because it's been down. It's just been down and out. Now, a stock like McDonald's, because I think I own some McDonald's. You can see how I still like McDonald's. Yeah, it's pushing up here. I won't trade out of the money on something like this. I would trade at the money, sell puts at the money, maybe a year out, try to just double my money in a year, right? So that's how I would trade something like that. But when you have a pullback in Tesla, well, stocks like that's got the catch-up trade, then I like going possibly out of the money and capturing, that cheaper premium to make big gains, so I like that. So let's see what happens. So I said I like Tesla. I said I like Amazon. And there's one more. Oh, wait. Let's talk. Let's talk about a firm just real quick, just to look at the action. I don't know much about the company except for what I learned today, but the payment space. This is basically like fintech. And you can see what's happening. It's kind of, you had that going on. You got PayPal popping hard today. PYPL, right? When it was up 3.64%. Square up 1.46. Square, it's still trying to break out of this range. I think it will. Lots of selling. Look at those wicks, man. There's serious selling pressure up here. I think it finally break. It will resolve to the upside. Because it's just a hot space. Oh, man. Fintech. Right? So that's why I brought up a firm. So Square, PayPal. I don't even know all the players. Look at. Oh, so since I don't know them all, because I'm in Square, I got a straight up naked put. Sold a naked put, a 270 naked put. Now, and it expires in December. I think I sold it for almost $3,000, man. I'm gonna get that money. But guess what, man? If for some reason I get put the shares, I want it. Give it to me. Give it to me at 270. That's when I sold it at 270. I did it when it was trading about 240. But right now it's out of the money, so that's good. But if it's in the money, that's good too, because I'll hold it and just be along a bunch of Square. Anyway, let's. I don't know everything in fintech, but you know who does. You know who knows everything in fintech? Kathy Woods. Yeah, so she's got a ARC FinTech Innovation Fund. Just in case you don't know, because a lot of people don't know about they know about the ARKK, right? No, she's got the ARKF too. So I'm long this because I don't really know the players, but PayPal and Square. I know Stripe's about to come out. Affirm. What's that one that who's working with gosh, I forgot the name of it. See? I just don't know him. But she knows him. So you could just get long ARKF. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm long ARKF. All right? This is not financial advice. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Just want to share with you what I'm doing, how I think. All right, so yeah, I like to get long ARKF and play this to the upside. This is the space to be in for the future. You could just see how it played out today, and you see the banks getting crushed. I mean, the legacy banks better make some changes. I almost think one of them need to buy like a Square or something if they. I want to say want to stay in business. They'll always be in business, but they fumble in the bag, man. It's they gotta innovate. they gotta innovate. So you got these companies coming up and getting market caps bigger than some of the biggest banks in a few years. It's crazy. Just shows you, man. Anyway, so there's your ARKF. There it is. All right, so what else? Oh, okay. So the last stock I want to show you. I'm thinking about making another video. I think I might drop a pre-recorded video on the next stock because I like it a lot. Yeah. All right, so I think I'm gonna do that. Be sure to check the next video out because that's what it's gonna be. All right, and you'll see the stock that I'm really fire about. Fire! All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Dre. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Dre Trades over there. And hit me up in the comments here. And, of course, I hit you back, right? I answer every comment. Everything. And remember, hit the bell so we can follow me on the next video. All right. I'll talk to y'all later, Straight Trades. Hope you guys making a lot of money. Yeah. All right. See ya. Peace.